Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I was going to plant all seeds that I'd got and not buy any, but where I kept my seeds out of my summer house, a mouse, something had got in. I hadn't put them up into a metal tin. They're just strewn all over the top, and it ate a lot of the seeds, mixed a lot up, so I've just thrown all of them out and bought new. I think enough for last me the year, well, to do this year anyway. And I got them from this place, CK Horticultural Supplies. CK Horticultural Supplies. They are very quick delivery, only took a couple of days, and they're a lot cheaper, and you get more seeds than you do these packets that they sell in supermarkets or even at your garden centre. So the majority of these seeds were just £1, and like these celery ones I've just showed you, there's about 2,000 seeds in there, more than enough. But I'm just going to show you how I'm planting them up this year. Trying it like Simon from 50 Shades of Green. The troughs I put in the bottom of them, because if you put stones or broken pottery in the bottom, it can weigh heavy, and I don't want that for me carrying them around, moving them at times. So what I do is I put polystyrene. This is the polystyrene that came with my new chicken coop. I break bits of that off and put them in the bottom for drainage, and then put the soil on top of it, and that helps the drainage, and it's not as heavy as broken crockery or bricks or anything like that. So that's what I do, and I need more soil in there, and then I'm going to put some radishes in. And in this tray I'm going to put some onion seeds. I've never grown from seed before. I always buy onion sets, but I want to keep it as inexpensive as I can, so I'm not doing onion sets this year. So I'm starting some seeds off. Same again, 2 or 3 in one of the little modules. Put them back in. Those I haven't used, and these are Elisa Craig, so we'll put them in there. The other ones I'm going is Onion Tondo Musona, which I haven't a clue about, but obviously I like the picture of them and that's why I bought these seeds. But the packets are very fiddly, and in fact I think I might have to cut this one because I can't seem to separate it at all. Yeah, I'm going to have to cut this one and then seal it down another way. Probably get me vacuum sealer on it. And same grain, a few in each module. And put them back in. That's it. And just cover them over slightly, not much. Mason wants back in the house. It's a bit on the cold side for him because he's nesting. And that's that one done. Move on to the next. The next of these, celery, and it's called celery green soup. I have grown a couple of varieties of celery before. So far my favourite was giant red, but I'm trying different ones, see which ones I like, and again I can't open the packet. Now I don't want them many celery seeds, so I'm going to do these on the side and just have 4. That's enough. Now as yet I don't know what I'm going to be putting with the celery. Mason, so I'll put one in there to remind me on. And because these are on the side, I mark these A, B, C, D and E. So later on, when I'm indoors, I'll get my gardening book down and write in them what I've got, where I've got it. I know your bum's too big, go through the cat flap now. You want in? And there they are labelled up. Oh, let's just cover these slightly because they're very, very small seeds. And I think that's it. Put these in something to draw water up and then put them in the propagator. So yay! And this will be when I do some more. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.